everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video and it's actually going to be a fashion one. It has been a really long time since I've done a fashion video on my channel and I'm always buying clothes or thrifting clothes, and if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't already, it's JazzyFizz14. I am always posting fashion, so check out my Instagram if you're really into fashion. But anyway, I did buy some things recently at Adidas and thought that I would do a haul and show you what I got. They had a super amazing sale. Everything was 70% off. And what better time to shop? So I guess I'll start with the first thing I did buy. It wasn't this visor, actually. This was thrifted, and it's actually my mom's too. She's nice enough to let me borrow it today while I did some hiking. But the first thing I did get was this sports bra. So this I got for $15. I did get a small. I am a 34D, so this is pressing it close. Like, it isn't the best fit. It definitely was tight. I did have to take the little pads out of it, but for $15, I really like it. It's rib fit, and then when we look at the back, this is what the back looks like. I love it. Like, I just think I would even wear this with like jeans, or yeah, it's just not for working out for me. But really good deal. I am so happy I got this. I just wish I had some Adidas ribbed leggings. Then I got two pairs of sneakers. I was saying the other day, it's been forever since I bought any kind of sneakers. My kind of like day-to-day sneakers are, I have a pair of Nike Roches, and they're just getting like a little bit mangy looking. They've been all over the world, so you know, it's bound to happen. I'm really happy they've lasted these 4 or 5 years. They're not ready to throw out or anything, but they're kind of like my hiking shoe now. But I did get two pairs of sneakers, and I want to show you the two pairs I got. Okay, this is the first pair, and I did wear them. So they are the Adidas Pure Motion. I did get them in a US 5. I'm usually like a 6.5, 6. These are in, no, they're in women's sizes. I actually didn't get youth sizes, but these are what they look like. So they're just really nice, very cushiony. That's what I do like about Adidas sneakers. It is a little bit firm inside, but around it is cushiony. And I just love how it's black, white, and gray. I love me a good neutral sneaker. They are really comfortable too. By the end of it though, I did find like this part was really like pressuring my feet. But I did get these for $27, and I just think they're really cute. A very nice neutral sneaker that you can kind of wear with everything, and the stripes kind of blend in actually. But what a deal for $27. Like, I feel like sneakers at Walmart aren't even that cheap anymore. The next pair I was so excited to get. I do love sneakers that have like a pop of color. I do like my neutral sneakers, of course, but then I do like, you know, pairs that I can kind of dress up. So when I saw these, I simply had to get them. So these are in women's sizes, and I did get 5.5 for these ones. These are the pink Adidas Falcons. So this is what they look like. They are so cute. I've always wanted the beige pair, but then I saw the pink pair and I was like, okay, these are super cute. I want them. I've already styled them on my Instagram. I think they're great that you can just wear them, you know, with a casual outfit, but they also look really nice with a dress. And they're very comfortable as well. I just wear mine laced like that. They do have the Adidas detail here and here as well. And the material here is almost like a corduroy, so it's super cute. I'm a huge fan of these. I actually got them for $42. I couldn't believe it. They're regularly like over $100. I think like $122. So to get those sneakers for $42, that was definitely a steal of a deal. So I got all those items because of the 70% off sale for, I think it came to $98. I bought them on a Friday, and they came by Wednesday of the next week, so definitely really quick shipping. Shipping was free too. This is from Adidas Canada, so always check it out because you never know when they're gonna have sales, but I really like this. Like I said, I love this sports bra. I love the two pairs of sneakers. This was definitely money well spent. So let me know what your favorite pair of Adidas sneakers are. Do you think those are cute? And anything else you want to share Adidas that you like, I'd love to know because I'm a huge fan. So if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my content. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, JazzyFizz14, to see my outfits that I've been wearing lately. I'd love for you to follow me. And also, too, I thank you so much for your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.